How do you know if a transformer is bad? Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to test a transformer with a multimeter. A transformer is an electrical device that can increase by stepping up or decrease by stepping down the voltage of an alternating current. The primary winding is the coil of wire connected to the input voltage source. When an alternating current flows through the primary winding, it creates a magnetic field around the coil. This magnetic field is crucial because it induces a voltage in the secondary winding. The secondary winding is the coil of wire connected to the output side of the transformer. The magnetic field generated by the primary winding passes through the core of the transformer and induces a voltage in the secondary winding. By checking the continuity and resistance in the primary and secondary windings, we can check if the transformer is bad. To test for continuity, turn the dial on your multimeter to the continuity or resistance setting. Press the function button to toggle the continuity setting. Touch the probes with each other to verify the multimeter is working. If you hear a beep, we can proceed testing the transformer. Touch the probes on the wires of the secondary winding. If you hear a beep, we have continuity on the secondary winding. However, notice the resistance displays OL or overloaded. This isn't good. You should see the resistance near zero. Now let's check the primary winding. Touch the probes on the wires of the primary winding. We should have continuity between the two sets of black and red wires. Touch the probes on the wires of the primary winding. We have resistance, but there is no continuity between the wires. When touching the probes to the wires, avoid touching the probe tips with your fingers, as this will include your body's resistance in the measurement, leading to a lower meter reading. This transformer is bad and should be replaced. Let's check another transformer. Touch the probes on the wires of the primary winding. There is continuity, but the display shows OL. Let's check the secondary winding. There is continuity and resistance. This transformer is bad since the other winding shows OL or overloaded. Let's check a third transformer. This transformer has a different setup. There are no wires on the back of this one. The wires are all on one side. Let's check the three middle wires. There is continuity and the resistance is low. This is a good sign. The two other wires have continuity and low resistance. This transformer is good. Although this transformer may have a different wire configuration, they are actually similar. When I expose the plastic wrapping, the three middle wires connect to the bottom or secondary winding. The wires on each end connect to the top or primary winding. I hope this video has shown you how to test a transformer with a multimeter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more electronics tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.